If you're a heating air conditioning technician or even a homeowner, what is the $5,000 rule when it comes to heating and air conditioning replacement, and why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you. One of the things that I like to do is I like to go through and look for what consumer information is out there, because I work with technicians and sometimes homeowners comment on my channel. And one of those rules out there says that a $5,000 rule, that if you're approaching $5,000 in repair, that's when you should decide to replace your system. Like, oh my goodness, that may be good advice. I'm going to say it's on the side of bad advice, so I'm going to share with you why. If you're taking a look at a heating and air conditioning unit, you're going across a timeline. You're going across a plane of time. And that plane of time is this. You've got the things that have happened in the past, the repairs that you've made over time. You've got the problems that you have today. And then you also have the problems that are into the future. Now, you're going to cross-reference this with warranty. You're going to cross-reference this with cost of energy. And if you have something today that has $1,000 in parts, but you're looking at more in the future, like if you make that decision, like, well, there's only 1,000 today, I'm going to share with you right now, it's a mechanical device, it's going to fail. It's going to have problems. You're going to have issues. And so if like you're looking for this magic mark in your mind, well, it's like $4,400. I haven't reached 5,000 yet. Somebody's giving you some bad advice. I live here in California. Everything is expensive. And you got to know, in some areas, we have some of the most expensive electricity rates in the United States. And if you have the opportunity to buy a better unit instead of paying the electrical companies, it may be a better bet to buy a unit instead of paying the tax of being in an area where you get charged up the wazoo for your electrical cost, right? A really good technician is going to have you in mind and your situation in mind, and not just be there to sell a system. And there have been times where I have seen people go, I don't want to go down this path. I know it's a $200 part. What can I do to alleviate this so I don't have more problems in the future? Well, if they would have gone with the $5,000 rule, they would have waited till they had $5,000 in damage before they go, well, now it's time. Right? It's a bad number for people to take a look at, especially for the cost of units and especially for the things that are going on in today with the changes. Now, here's the thing. If you want to be better at sales and you want to be good at what you do and you're an HVAC technician, you should join HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted training. It's an email publication, and you'll love it. So this $5,000 arbitrary rule, if you're a technician, you need to know that there's somebody out there saying your repair should get to $5K, and that's when you got to replace your ticket without you building a ticket, right? Don't go out there and make stuff up to get to $5K. Right? You think that it's going to help you close deals. In all realities, it's going to cause you a whole bunch of issues. You should be able to have the conversation of what has happened in the past, if you have history, what's going on today, and what's going to go on in the future, what they're expecting, right? You've got warranty issues. You've got things like cost of energy. You've got things like inflation and tariffs. All these things are leading to the cost of it being higher. And I'm going to share with you this. When I got started selling heating and air in 2001, we had systems that started at like $3,800. That was like the base price, $3,800 in Sacramento. We had systems that were $19,000. Okay. Today, right now, like talking to the people that I know in the industry, most systems start at like $15,000, $17,000, $18,000 in California. If you're in some other country, if you're in some other state, it's going to be a different number. But like my friends in SoCal, they've got $60,000 and $80,000 units. Like they may have a $100,000 option for a heating air conditioning unit. Be aware that taking the time to explain what's going to happen without making anything up is beneficial to the people that you meet with. Be aware that there's somebody out there saying that there's some $5,000 rule that can really hurt a homeowner. You've got to be able to have that conversation. Some people may decide to do it. Okay, that's on them. But it's your role and responsibility to share why it may be a bad idea when that's true. You got one of three things to do from here. Just one of three. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.